How you guys doing today? It's a real girl, Trust. So today I'm installing this wig by Bundles0fSlay on Instagram. This is a 13 by 6 wig in the texture Malaysian deep curly. I got it in 200% density. She does offer other density on her website, but I like my wigs full and thick, especially if they human. If I'm gonna spend the bread, it gotta be thick. Period. So I got this wig installed a couple of times. Not I'm tripping, not a couple of times. Child, I was trying to say I got it done once before, so this is my third time installing this wig. This wig is very nice, y'all, but it do shed, but I feel like it sheds a lot because the density is so thick. But I'm pretty sure there's ways to stop your wig from shedding. I just don't got the time and the patience for all that. So y'all, I've been thinking like, what can I talk about on these voiceovers? I don't know if you guys want me to go over every step that I'm doing, cause I feel like it can get repetitive. Or like, do y'all want me to do mental health check-ins, or like, do y'all want me to talk about something? Because I don't know, like. I have a lot of videos on my page where I'm telling y'all step by step, letting y'all know what I'm doing. I don't know if that get repetitive to the point you like, oh, I don't want to watch this. You feel me? Because in the video, I tried to show y'all like the style I was doing, but it never works out like that. But let me know in the comments what y'all want me to talk about on my voiceovers if I'm not talking in the video. Because sometimes my background be a little loud, like right now. Hold on. But yes, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want me to talk about. I really appreciate it. Because I can talk about a lot now because I be talking to myself a lot. So I be wanting to talk about a lot, but I just don't want to bore people. I don't want people to think I'm crazy. Clock it. But yes, y'all, just let me know what y'all want me to talk about. Do y'all just want to hear the music? Y'all just want to watch? Because I know a lot of people just do a watch install. My bad if I'm talking fast. The video moving hella fast, so I'm talking fast. My bad, y'all. But y'all just let me know. Like, y'all could communicate with me, whatever you want to see. Um, I'm really dedicated this year to be posting a lot. I mean, I know they say consistency, but I've heard say that wrong. My bad, y'all. Listen, not too much. But yes, but yeah, I know they say consistency, keep posting. Don't just post every post, randomly. Now, I've been posting on TikTok, y'all, so y'all can follow me on TikTok. Now, it might be the same video or the same hairstyle, but YouTube version, TikTok version. I don't know, but sometimes I be trying to be like all professional and give cutesy, but I feel like maybe I should just be myself because, like, trust. I just want to be myself. Like, I feel like that would make me always stop because I'm always trying to do like uniform videos, very professional, very cutesy, but social media is supposed to be entertaining, so I'm trying to give entertainee. I'm trying to keep y'all watching, keep y'all engaged with my content. I don't want to just be boring and just putting on a wig. So if y'all want me to tell a story, something not about my life, but like what's going on, going on in the world and what's happening, cause yo, I could do that. I could do that. But until y'all let me know what y'all want to talk about, I'm gonna get back into this hair install. Period. So right now I'm just, combing, trying to make it stick to my head, trying to make it look, not wrinkly because the first time I got it done, I guess it wasn't cut properly. It was too big for my head, so it gives wrinkle. But I got that together. I started okay. I give up. Yeah, so I done took the wig off at least 3 times trying to get it to fit to my head and try to make it unwrinkly. And that's one thing I'm gonna do. I'm a perfectionist, so I'm gonna make sure it's right. Okay, honey? Because, yeah, I don't like my wig to look any type of way. Oh, yeah, y'all. Do y'all like speeded up videos or y'all like normal speed? Let me know too. So, y'all, I use Dola hair lace glue, and I think I show y'all. I use Erica J, like, I'm put all the products in the description, but it's like something related to lace. It's like lace melts. I like that product. I don't like the way it smells because it low key smell like gasoline or like I don't know factory, but not too much on Erica J because we love her. But yeah, I just don't like the way it smells. But right here, I'm just slicking my hair back, trying to get everything slick and spam, period. Um, yeah. Now I'm just taking my tweezers and like getting all the flyaways away. I showed y'all the makeup powder I was using by Black Radiance. I love that for my laces. Not for my face, but for my laces. Like my killers don't tell. Y'all see what I just did? Don't do that. Wait till y'all glue dry clear before you stick the lace down. But I'm true to this, not new to this. Period. Before I put my band on, I do like to dry like whatever melting spray I put on, because I feel like if you put it on while it's wet, it just stick to the thing and it will never dry. Like, I hate that feeling. And then I know I've seen a lot of videos on like social media of people putting the band on and then they pulling it back and they got a whole bunch of white stuff and it's all sticky. Yeah, that's why I don't do that. And you got to make sure that your glue is somewhat dry before you put that band on, because it will stick to the band and it will cause that, and we don't want that. So right now I'm just plucking my baby hairs. I'm still not good at baby hairs, but they be cute a little bit. Like, I love the way people do my baby hairs, like when it's dramatic, but for some reason I just can't do it myself. But then again, I be too hard on myself, because if it don't look right, I'm just gonna start over and do my baby hairs over. No trial and error. It gotta be perfect. My mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. To sling my baby hairs, I'm using the red one, but the blue container. I think that's what it's called, the red one. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. It's some me time. Keep doing what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. It's some me time. Keep doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. So y'all, I just parted my hair into like 4 sections to get this style. And basically, I don't know if y'all know what a fan is, but it's like when you put it in a ponytail and like, it's like a fan. I can't explain it. But that's basically what I did, and then I puffed them out. So that was a style. I didn't get it on camera, y'all. So sorry. It's too much arm movement. It's too much jiggle. It's just too much going on when I try to do styles on camera. And then y'all know I already focused with my mouth open. So yeah, it was just too much going on. Yeah, I know I get it, what you need. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Tell me that the yes. I try to give you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. Here's a close-up of the style. So these are the 4 sections I made with the fan and just puffed them out. I just want to thank y'all so much if you made it to the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Trust, it's a real girl. Then I
yours, never mine. I mean, if you